rabbit goes on. Out of the way a little bit.
Rabbit.
Rabbit and cabbage leaf going like that. And a carrot can kind of go under, oopsie.
Pretty much wherever you want them.
Yeah. And then we'll have our, let's do our quick carrot stem.
Oh, that's right. Carrots have
Carrots have stems.
green stems.
Okay, remember things in nature are in odd numbers, right?
Yep.
So
3.
carrot stems.
So you just free-handed a little rope.
Yeah. Just made a hole with a skewer and let it go in there. Oops, I put a smudge.
Excellent.
But look at that. I can smudge it right out. Oh, 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 oh. Color. Hold on, hold on. Almost
Okay.
done. Almost done.
Almost done.
Okay. I have some brown powder color in here.
What is this you're squirting?
This is Everclear again.
Okay.
Brush,
You have Everclear
brush,
in different
brush,
containers.
brush. I do. Yes.
Ugh.
Different
See how
containers.
fancy?
So I'm gonna
Fancy. What's in there that's making that color?
brown
Oh,
powder
yeah.
color. Gotta have some dimension, some color.
That's just like luster dust or something?
It's just powder color.
Powder color.
Yeah. Brown powdered food color.
All right. Yeah, those are great.
This is just more powder color
Okay.
that I'll use as like petal dust.
Okay.
Okay. I like to use makeup brushes. So just like go to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, those kind of places, and get a set of makeup brushes, because all these lusters and petal dust and stuff are so much just like eyeshadow. It's the consistency of eyeshadow. So the
Excellent.
brushes that you should use, you see this brings out the texture mat that we used, those lines, instead of just leaving it flat.
Gotcha.
Just got to think dimension when you think of color. You want to keep the dimension going. Okay.
Very
Does
cool.
that make sense?
It does. I think it's going to look great.
Better. Okay.
Check
so
this out.
Follow me. Pillsbury sugar cookie dough in a tube.
Gotcha.
Gross. But
No, tell us how you really feel.
I know, so gross. But anyway, so take that, add some green food color,
Okay.
and then just plop some down on your parchment, silpat, whatever, and then just kind of squish it out into shapes, okay? Once it's cool, flip it over. Let's see. Where do you want to put it?
When do you put
We'll
the green
it.
on?
Okay, mix the green into the dough. Let the dough like thaw some and mix it all into the dough.
So
then
the green food color?
Green food color.
Okay.
Green gel food color. Chef rubber. You can get a lot of things from chef rubber. All right, so then some of the cookies you crush up, all right?
Okay.
And then you have this, right?
Cookie crumbles.
Cookie crumbles. Watch.
Oh.
Now I would use gel paste to attach this guy. And
It's
I
like
would-
moss.
Right, exactly. It's moss. How cool
That's
is
cool.
that? I have to say, I found this on Pinterest. I did.
It's really
I
cool.
found it on Pinterest, and I thought that is one of the coolest things I've seen as far as making something look fully real.
It's very moss-like.
Yes. So, sweet, right? Isn't that
Very
cool?
cool. Very cool.
Okay. I
Moss.
think we covered everything.
We've learned all the stuff. This is the one that we did earlier. Check that out. You got.
Just redo your carrots.
Yeah.
Do multiple carrots.
If you want multiple carrots.
And do things in threes.
Different colors. You got an orange carrot and a purple carrot. But that's what the bark looks like when it's all done. on the side of the cake there. Very cool bark, very cool cake. Here's your cabbage, your bunny, and your galvanized handle. Look at that. And then if you can, I don't know if you can back up because you're really close there, but show the whole presentation. You just got.
This is part of my cake boards.
Yeah.
Demonstration.
Yeah.
Is how to display cakes.
Yeah.
Not just making the cake boards, but
Well, we're going to have to.
you need to display.
We'll do a whole class on cake
Okay,
boards and display
we'll do it.
this. I think that's a
You
great
heard it
idea.
here.
Yeah,
It'll
definitely.
happen.
Look how great that looks. Excellent. Huge round of applause
Yay!
for Chef Charity. Yay!
Thank you all for being here. Appreciate you.
Awesome. Thank you so much, gang. Thanks for being here. Thanks for spending the morning and afternoon with us. We're going to edit this down and make it into a full, obviously a huge project on the YummyArts library. The instant replay will be pretty instant. We're going to have to do a little bit of stuff here to get it available, but we should be able to have the replay later on today. Another huge round of applause for Chef Charity. Yay! That was awesome.
Yay!
That was awesome. Thank you so much, gang. Have a great day.